Hey guys, welcome back to How to PC. Are you seeing pop-up ads on your home screen or lock screen, even when you're not using any app? That means some app is showing ads in the background. It's not normal and you should fix it. These ads can slow down your phone, drain data, and sometimes even lead to malware. Let's find the app causing it and remove it. First, unlock your phone. Wait until the pop-up ad appears. As soon as it does, tap the Recent Apps button. At the top, you'll see which app is showing. If it looks unknown or suspicious, that's your culprit. Now, quickly turn off both mobile data and Wi-Fi. This stops the app from loading more ads. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Tap See All Apps. Find that app. Tap on it. Now tap Uninstall. If it can't be uninstalled, tap Disable instead. Still can't catch which app it is? No problem, try this method. Go to the Play Store. Search for AppWatch. Install it and open the app. It will ask for permission. Tap Go to Settings, then tap AppWatch and turn on Usage Access. Now come back to AppWatch. Tap Start Tracking. Use your phone like normal. When the ad appears again, don't close anything. Go straight to AppWatch. It will show you the most recently active app. That's the one showing ads. Now go to Settings, open Apps, find the same app, and uninstall or disable it. After that, you can remove AppWatch too. You won't need it anymore. Finally, restart your phone. Your problem should be gone. If this helped you, give the video a like. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to How to PC for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.